Hello everyone, you're watching the channel Military Summary. Helicopters are incredibly effective in delivering weapons and saving people. They excel in overall military use, especially as a strike weapon. Helicopters are indispensable tools in military conflicts. Today, we will show you the 10 best attack helicopters in the world. 1. The CAICWZ-10 is an attack helicopter developed by the People's Republic of China. It is designed primarily for anti-tank warfare missions but also has secondary air-to-air capabilities. The cockpit is protected by composite armor, and the bulletproof glass canopy can withstand 7.62 mm rounds. The chin-mounted turret can be fitted with a 20 mm or 30 mm autocannon. The helicopter can carry up to 880 GMs for an anti-armored role, TY-90 air-to-air missiles, and PL-5P, L-7, and PL-9 air-to-air missiles. 2. The Mi-24 is an attack helicopter of Soviet origin, developed in the late 1960s to provide Soviet forces with capabilities similar to the US AH-1 Cobra. Most Mi-24s feature a 12.7 mm Yak-B minigun, while some have a powerful 2-barrel 30 mm GSH-30K autocannon. The inner pylons carry unguided rockets and gun pods, while the outer pylons are fitted with guided anti-tank missiles. 3. The Ruavik is a latest-generation attack helicopter from Denel Aviation of South Africa. It carries a comprehensive range of weaponry adaptable to various mission requirements, ranging from anti-armor and anti-helicopter missions to ground suppression and air emissions. The 20 mm F2 dual-feed gas-operated cannon fires high-speed ammunition at a rate of 740 rounds per minute. 4. The AH-1W Super Cobra is the U.S. Marines attack helicopter supplied by Bell Helicopter Textron. Entered service in 1985, it can carry both TOW and Hellfire anti-armor missiles and is qualified to carry the Maverick missile. The Super Cobra has fire and forget capability when firing the Hellfire missile in cooperative mode with laser target illumination. 5. The T-129 multi-role attack helicopter is being developed jointly by Agusta Westland and Turkish Aerospace Industries for the Turkish Land Forces Command. It has 4 hardpoints for carrying a weaponry payload of 1,200 kilograms, accommodating anti-tank guided missiles, air-to-air missiles, 70 mm rockets, and a 20 mm turreted 3-barrel gun system. 6. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is an American twin-engine attack helicopter based on the AH-1W Super Cobra, developed for the United States Marine Corps. The Viper is compatible with the widest array of ordnance of any rotary-wing aircraft in history, making it an ideal platform for combat in various scenarios. 7. The EC-665 Tiger helicopter was developed for France and Germany in 3 configurations. UHT multi-role fire support for the German Army, had multi-role combat, and HAP combat support for the French Army. The Tiger helicopters are armed with 8 Lockheed Martin Hellfire 2 air-to-ground missiles, a 30mm cannon turret, 70mm rockets, and 4 Mistral air-to-air missiles. 8. The Mi-28 combat helicopter, known by its NATO codename Habit, has been developed by the MIL Moscow helicopter plant. Armed with SHK Val and Ataka anti-tank missiles, the Mi-28 can also carry 80mm unguided rockets or 122mm rockets. It is equipped with a turret-mounted 30mm cannon stabilized in 2 axes. The AH-64 Apache is the Army's Heavy Division Corps attack helicopter, designed to endure frontline environments and operate day or night in adverse weather. The AH-64D is armed with the Lockheed Martin Boeing AGM-114D Longbow Hellfire air-to-surface missile, featuring a millimeter wave seeker with a range of 8 to 12 kilometers. The Ka-50 Alligator is an all-weather attack helicopter operated by the Russian Air Force. Armed with a 30mm automatic gun and external hardpoints carrying anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, and air-to-air missiles, the Ka-50 is a versatile platform. It can also be armed with Vickers anti-tank missiles with a range of 8 to 10 kilometers. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the helicopters you like the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.